Guru Nation, a lot of site ownership in the air. I don't know what it is.
In the air, huh?
I did a funny TikTok. Well, I thought it was funny, and so did LinkedIn. I don't always post my TikToks on LinkedIn, but when I think they're really funny, I do. And this one did get, so it was like the life cycle of a CRA. First, it's like, oh, I can't wait to
7
be.
years.
Basically, so it's oh, I can't wait to be. And I'll put it here in the lower corner so you can watch it. But oh, I can't wait to be a CRA. And then once you are one, it's like, oh damn, it's stressful. And then after a while, it's like, so how do I open my own site again?
Yeah.
And
that's about the 5-year mark.
it's about accurate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so not just for CRAs, but DSC, shameless plug. We rarely do shameless plugs.
Oh, yeah? Rarely?
Rarely.
Okay.
We have happy clients. We have a few not so happy, and the majority are happy, I would say. We've done
75% are
We've
happy.
probably worked with over 100. That's no hyperbole.
Huh? Well, way more than that.
Okay, how many site owners have we worked with?
Well, we're currently working with about 80.
Okay, so quadruple that?
I don't know. Probably 200.
Okay, over 200 site owners we have worked with, especially this man. Give us 3 things. I'm putting you on the spot. We do not prepare for this. Top 3
Always like being
things.
put on the spot.
Yes, top 3 things you've seen that differentiates a successful site owner from a not successful site owner. Because sometimes we can spot it before it happens, and other times we are very wrong. There's been times where you and I have both said this person's not going to be successful, and they turn out to be super successful.
Sure.
So top 3, like let's help people identify like top 3 factors that cause extremely positive outcomes as inside ownership.
So I could point out positive or negative, right?
Yeah.
So I would say one of the biggest reasons or factors for not being successful are not anticipating expenses, right?
Number 1 by far?
I don't know about by far, but number 1. People just don't, they plan on a success in 3 months, right? Or 4 months or 5 months. We had a client just recently who said, I ran out of money, and they were a client for 1 month. I need to pause for a while.
Wow. I mean,
so, things happen in your life where, maybe there's hospital bills or who knows.
That's
right?
different, yeah.
No, I understand. I didn't go into specifics like, hey, dummy, why didn't you plan for having to spend more money than $1,200 or $1,300? But outside of these unforeseen events, you need to be ready to sustain yourself and your livelihood and your lifestyle for a minimum of 9 months. Right? Because it's going to take the cycle to make a site successful enough to sustain your lifestyle. It's going to take at least a year. Minimum.
So the number 1 factor then is not being dependent on income, on instant gratification.
Exactly.
Okay, number 2 and 3. It's on the spot, guys.
Yeah, number 2 and 3. So there's just factors. I don't know if they're 2 and 3, but not being responsive or being able to dedicate enough time to your business, that's probably number 2. And we have a lot of people that do that as well. And not always, but oftentimes, they're working full time. They understand that they still need to maintain their lifestyle, so they gotta have an income, which they're not going to get from their business.
Right.
Oftentimes, these are CRAs, right? That have to still pull
Busy
that 60 hours a week doing the CRA work.
Yep.
Try to do their site, and it's very difficult to do both.
But it is possible.
It is. We've had successful CRAs.
But we've also had unsuccessful CRAs.
Yeah.
All right. So responsiveness, number 2.
Well, and being able to just dedicate enough time to your business.
Allocation of resources.
Yep. And then number 3, probably location. I would say probably. I'm
Best
not
locations.
sure.
Let's go.
There's
Yuma,
probably a number
Arizona.
of reasons.
Yuma,
3.
Arizona. Don't try to go there. You will get crushed. But what's next? Like
Best locations?
Yeah.
So stay off the coast. That's about it. Stay off the coast, including the south coast, right off the Gulf Coast.
And then Florida's like the most competitive.
Yeah.
But interestingly enough, I was gonna say ironically, but I don't think it's ironic. some of our best clients ever
Most successful clients.
are from there.
Yep.
So any explanation for that?
Nope. I got nothing. And it still kind of confuses me.
We're still gathering more data on this. I mean, we've been doing this 6 years now,
Yeah.
servicing other sites.
Yeah.
While building our own.
No, longer than 6 years.
7?
8, I think.
8 years.
Right? 2014?
And we've probably worked with over 200 clients, site owners, but we've talked to like thousands.
Oh, yeah. Easily.
Easily. So we kind of, this is why I wanted to pick your brain on this. I do plenty of videos on my own on this, but wanted to get you on this.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Anything else for the site owners 2022 as 2022 is wrapping up?
Yeah, when I say the coast, that's just, you absolutely can be successful on the coast.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Dan and I own a site on the coast.
2 in the same place.
Yeah, true. And they're both able to get studies. They're both successful. It's harder. You just expect it to take a little longer. So when I say at least 9 months, you'd be able to sustain yourself in your business. Maybe if you're on the coast, expect a year, maybe a little longer than a year. But yeah, you can be successful anywhere.
All right. And as always, do your own homework. There is a price for relying on others to supply you with knowledge, right? And this is, you pay for people like us. There's people way more expensive than us, and I would say not as good. Definitely not as ethical. We know many of them. But there's no price for like you learning and doing the due diligence yourself on this stuff.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you, Chris. Everybody
Thank
like,
you.
subscribe, comment, share. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.